This Maptitude tutorial shows you how to create a heat map using Maptitude density grids. A density grid transforms the points in a point layer into a regular grid. This makes it easier to identify customer concentrations, crime hotspots, and over or underserved locations. You can also weight the grid by a value of your choice. First, make the point layer you want to analyze the working layer by choosing it from the drop-down list on the standard toolbar, or by right-clicking on the layer in the display manager and choosing Make Working Layer. Choose Tools, Analysis, Density Heat Layer, or choose Density Heat Layer from the Analysis Tools dropdown. Choose whether to use all features, the visible features on the map, or a selection set. You can also choose a weighting field. I have a field that contains the annual customer count for each store, so I'll use that field to weight the density grid. Maptitude suggests a search radius and a cell width based on your data and the map scale. If you would like the density analysis to extend farther from the points in your layer, increase the radius value. If you want to create a higher resolution density grid, decrease the cell width. Because I know my customers typically don't travel more than 5 miles, I will set the radius to 5 miles. Leave the theme option checked so that the new layer is automatically displayed with a color theme that highlights the results. Enter a name for the new density layer, and click OK. Maptitude adds the density grid to the map. Now you can see where customer concentrations are highest, as well as areas that may be underserved. And that wraps up this tutorial on creating density grids in Maptitude.